Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this xCool precision screwdriver. So this comes in a nice package like this. Let's go and open it up. This is one of these electric screwdrivers. This one is meant for smaller things such as electronics repair, glasses, stuff like that. But it comes with bigger bits as well. And you can buy bigger bits as well to fit the size, but it's really meant for smaller precision tools. Comes with these forceps as well as this tool to scrape stuff off. Comes with a charging cable as well, USB-C charging. Okay, so to open it up, all you have to do is press it and it pops up. So it's a pretty cool. So if you just press anywhere, it won't open. You have to press this button, opens right up. The charging is right there. You just plug it in and it'll charge the device. So let's open it up. So this is you actually get drill bits as well to drill little holes into whatever that it is that you want to drill a hole into. So you get a backup pair of bit holders as well. So you can swap it out with this one if this one's no longer holding your bits. You can put anything here to magnetize it or put it here to demagnetize it. So actually all of these bits can be magnetized. Just leave them in here and they'll get magnetized over time. All right, so pop it up. You're just having to press over there and it pops right out. You can actually hit the multifunction button on the back to turn the light on, and you can see it's a pretty bright light. And you can actually hit it again to turn it off, hit it to turn it on. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to get the torque levels. So you can actually adjust the torque on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the strongest torque, which is essentially the most it can do. And then you can again hit that light button and I'll show you the strength right there. And then the light status on and off. So as you're tightening it, press this button to tighten, press this button to loosen, and then these come off here. So let's turn that light off. This is for the smaller bits, but you can take it off. So you can just put it on by holding this and then tightening it. Or you can take it off just by this, and that's the fastest way to take it on and off. And then this thing pops off. And then you can put the bigger or smaller bits. So the bigger bits will go on like this. And they just kind of stay on place. You don't have to put the scrap back on. For the drill bits, see, this is a pretty thin drill bit. You're going to have to put it through this thing, right? And then put it on. And then you can tighten the drill bit on with the cap on top. And again, you can just tighten like this. And then now you're ready to drill. And then to take it off, all you're going to do is do that. Pull this off. And then this is out, allowing you to put the bigger bits into the screwdriver. As you can see, all of these bits are magnetized, so when you drop them in, they don't just fall out. When you flip it over though, you can see you have a lot more bits. So if you need a longer screwdriver, so let's go and take this out. If you need a longer screwdriver, there you go. This is a much longer bit, and you get a lot of these. You get all of these bits, you get the hex bits, you get the all of these shapes. If you look at it, the triangle, the star shape, this is a large amount of bits you get to do all the kinds of repairs you might want to do. So I have a little battery that needs to be changed for this toy. Super easy to take it off and put it back on. Super easy. When you plug it into the charger, this is what it looks like. It's showing you status that is between 50 and 75% charged, and it's charging to 100%. So once it's fully charged, you will see all 4 lights light up. After using these bits for a couple of days, I've noticed that these bits are really high quality. I have not seen any chipping, so I used this screwdriver bit quite a bit while putting it together, while putting a shelf together. As you can see, there's no chipping on the bit. They're super high quality bits, and the whole screwdriver makes doing things much easier, and it comes with a nice carrying case, so everything's not getting lost. I definitely recommend this product. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.